Hello guys, welcome to Real Deal Housing. I'm your host Riddhi Jain and today the property I'm going to show you, उसका इंटीरियर बहुत ही रॉयल और विंटेज तरीके का है. But before starting the tour of this apartment, I would like to tell you why would someone take apartment in this location. तो खासियत इस अपार्टमेंट की ये है, इट इज़ एन इम्पेरियल हाइट्स विच इज़ वन ऑफ द मोस्ट लग्जरियस प्रोजेक्ट्स ऑफ गोरेगांव वेस्ट. प्लस यहाँ के अगर कनेक्टिविटी की बात करें तो पास ही में यहाँ से विबग्योर स्कूल है, यहाँ पे मेट्रो लाइन है पास में, यहाँ पे मॉल्स है लाइक इनऑर्बिट एंड इन्फिनिटी. तो कनेक्टिविटी इज़ वेरी गुड. प्लस द कम्युनिटी हियर इज़ कॉस्मो कम्युनिटी. सो नाउ लेट्स बिगिन द टूर ऑफ दिस अपार्टमेंट. This is the main entrance of the apartment. This is a 3.5 BHK fully furnished apartment. The carpet area of this apartment is 1409 and here we have this beautiful hanging lamp. अगर आप सामने की wall देखें तो that is also very beautifully decorated. And after we enter the apartment, on the right side we have shoe rack. Again, if you see ऊपर का ये ceiling पूरा wood and beautiful लैम्प से उन्होंने डेकोरेट किया हुआ है. एंड हियर वी हैव दिस मिरर विद गोल्डन फ्रेम एंड दिस टेबल. एज वी एंटर इनसाइड ऑन द राइट साइड वी हैव अ स्मॉल रूम फॉर द स्टाफ. तो यहाँ पे शो पीसेस के लिए भी जगह है, ऊपर स्टोरेज है. एंड हियर वी हैव वन मोर वॉशरूम, अगेन स्टाफ वॉशरूम है, सो इट्स अ स्मॉल वॉशरूम. नाउ just in front of this we have bedroom number 1. तो ये bedroom number 1 में as we enter you see we get an AC with this room. Here we have these cupboards. बहुत ही copper color की detailing की हुई है इन cupboards के ऊपर. Now here we have attached washroom along with this room. वहाँ पे full size mirror है. There we have cabinets and inside you see there is a glass partition to your bathroom area and your washroom area. Now here this window gives us beautiful scenery to look at and here you can sit and enjoy your coffee. This is our TV cabinet. There are speakers right here and more cabinets for the storage. Now as we move outside we enter in a living room. You see every single thing in this living room has been decorated in a way that it gives luxury to the apartment. यहाँ पे इन्होंने बहुत ही रॉयल तरीके के सोफे बनाए हैं एंड हियर यू सी द चेयर्स, अ टेबल. यहाँ पे आप पिकॉक का ये शो पीस वेरी प्रिटी एंड हियर अ टेबल एंड दीज आर द ड्रॉवर्स. एक्चुअली बहुत ही डिटेलिंग काम किया हुआ है इनके फर्नीचर के ऊपर. नाउ हियर दिस वी हैव टीवी यूनिट. अगेन हियर वी हैव सम डिम लाइट्स. आप ऊपर फैन देखेंगे तो फैन के यहाँ पे ये छोटे छोटे लैम्प्स वेरी प्रिटी. This living room comes along with 2 ACs and along with this we have this running balcony. और यहाँ balcony में भी आपको sitting का arrangement है और यहाँ से आप beautiful view देख सकते हो. वो metro line है, आप देख सकते हो वहाँ पे metro जा रही है. From here you see we can have the complete mangroves का view है यहाँ पे. On this side we have the city view. यहाँ पे आप देखोगे that is Oshiwara bus depot. This balcony is facing northwest. So good light enters the room. Now let's come back inside of the house. Here we have the dining area, the marble platform on this dining. These chairs very beautifully designed. इनका cover भी बहुत सुंदर है. Again here we have the lamps, the vintage fan. Here we have yellow lights, warm lights, false ceiling जिनकी वजह से एक बहुत ही rich look आ रहा है. Now on this side we have our kitchen. So kitchen comes along with the gas, chimney and here we have many cabinets. आपको ये वाला दिखा दो, it's like double door cabinet. So here you also get a slider cabinet. And here we have a microwave, oven, more storage along with this refrigerator, double door refrigerator. And we also get a gas connection. And this is our dry area. So we also get washing machine in the dry area. And as we exit the kitchen, on the right side we have this balcony. Our balcony, so you can see the city view from here. And on the walls they have put beautiful tiles that add to the interior of this house. Now here we also have bar table with storage and a fridge. So I would like to show you this particular spot in the living room. यहाँ पे मंदिर आप बना सकते हैं. These are again sliders. You can keep it like this as well as like this. Now here we have our bedroom number 2. So as we enter our bedroom number 2, we have the slider door for entering. Here we have the cupboards, very spacious. ऊपर भी storage है. Plus this is queen sized bed. Here we have study table and more cabinets. Here we also get AC along with this room, and outside if you see we have this beautiful city view from here. And this room is decorated with colorful walls. Now as we exit the room, here we have the common washroom, full-sized mirror with high quality fittings. And on this side we have a room number 3, which is master bedroom. So this is again a slider door for our bathroom. यहाँ पे भी cabinets है, plus वहाँ पे आपको एक platform मिल जाता है रखने के लिए चीज़ें. And we have partition of glass. Now as we enter this master bedroom, here we get French windows again. The same view that we had from the balcony. This is a king-sized bed with the headboard. So the headboard is carved with detailing. It is made up of wood. And along with this, we have the cupboards with sliding doors. A lot of space inside. And on this side, we have a small study area, you can say, or if you're a writer, I think this might be a cozy place for you to write. Here we have some more storage and a drawer right here. Now this again we have a TV cabinet right here, and on this side you have glass cabinet to keep the showcase pieces. Here we have one more cupboard. This is the upper one, or niche we have this digital locker along with the facility of drawers. And this room also comes along with the AC. As we exit, you see ऊपर का ये ceiling. It is also made up of wood and gives very rich look to the house. It also gives a little bit of vintage look. This apartment comes along with 2 car parks. So if you are interested in this property, the rent for it is 1.80 lakhs. For more details, check out the caption, and for more information, contact Real Deal Housing. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.